Hi friends, today we are going to make Egg Masala Gravy Curry.
We are not using coconut milk, instead we use whisked curd for a different taste. Take 3 tablespoons oil in a pan. Fry the sliced onions till it becomes golden in color. Keep it for cooling. Then grind it in a blender. Dry roast fenugreek leaves, crush it with your hands. Take a pan, heat 2 tablespoons oil, add 3 cardamom, 2 pieces cinnamon, 3 cloves. Add 1.5 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Fry on low flame for 2 minutes. Add chopped tomatoes. Add half teaspoon salt. Cook on medium flame for 2 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder. Mix well. Cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it on low flame. Add 4 tablespoons whisked curd. Stir well. Cook on low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Add crushed fried onions. Mix well. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Add half teaspoon Garam Masala powder. Mix well. Cook for a minute. Add 150 ml of water. Simmer for 2 minutes. Add the egg halves. Cook on low flame for 2 minutes. Flip the eggs. Cook for another 2 minutes. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. Sprinkle half teaspoon Kasuri Methi. Mix well. Cook for 2 minutes. Our Egg Masala Gravy Curry is ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.